Hey guys, welcome back to Front Seat Driver. My name is Jason. Today we are going to do an install that I'm very excited about. I haven't done a whole lot of interior work. In fact, the only thing I've added to the interior of my car was a Pro Clip. I highly recommend the Pro Clip to everyone. Absolutely love it. But today we're going to do a carbon fiber mod. Stay tuned. All right guys, so what we have here is from Extreme Online Store, and this is their carbon fiber dash kit. Let's take a look inside. You can tell it's carbon fiber because it weighs like 3 ounces. One thing I want to say, this is also very well packaged. Ooh, can you see that? Very nice. I don't know if you can see that in the camera, but we'll get a good video of it later on. But this carbon fiber looks excellent. Very well done on the weave, which is very important. I'm actually really impressed. Very nice. All right, there's one more piece, but we're gonna just run out there and get this installed. So to get started, you're gonna wanna have two things: a paper towel and some isopropyl alcohol. Because what we're gonna do first is we're gonna clean the surface that the carbon fiber will adhere to. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and wipe down the surface right here, this chrome piece. We have 3 of them that we're going to be covering up with the carbon fiber. So like I said, we're gonna wipe it down with the isopropyl alcohol on this paper towel, make the surface nice and clean, get fingerprints and any other things that might prevent the tape from sticking. Wipe this down really good. All right. As you can see, the back of each piece of carbon fiber has the double-sided tape. But the first thing we're going to do is we're going to set it in here, make sure it fits properly. Looks good. So we're going to go ahead and pull off this tape, and we're going to get it installed. What's up, dog? Now we are going to take a microfiber towel and press it in. Make sure everything's fitting nice and snug. All right, so once again, we're going to wipe down the inside right here, getting it nice and clean, where we're going to put our brand new carbon fiber. And we're going to peel the tape once again. However, first, again, we want to line it up. I would slide the left end first and then press it in. Seems to fit pretty good. I'm really digging this. This carbon fiber is excellent looking too. Such a great looking weave. Once again, we'll grab our microfiber towel and press it into place. I can't even tell you how much nicer this looks in person. I hope it translates on camera because this is absolutely beautiful. All right, so the last step, we're gonna pull the two-sided tape and then we're gonna get this thing installed. And there we have it, all done. The hardest part was getting the two-sided tape off more than the installation, but I think this thing looks really good. All right, so that'll do it. So this is the finished product. What do you guys think? Night and day difference. A lot better than the chrome. So it went from basically this to that. All right, so that's going to do it for today's video. And I just want to say EOS, Extreme Online Store, really knocked it out of the park with the dash trim kit. The carbon fiber looks immaculate. I'm super excited for it. So anyway, that's going to do it. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button. If you don't subscribe, please consider subscribing. I hope everyone has a great week. Thank you for watching.